Hi everyone, I'm Liz. Welcome to my channel. Back in early spring of this year, I started with a completely blank canvas in my backyard. Just an empty space with so many possibilities. I knew I wanted to create a garden that would grow and change over time, so I started with the foundations, trees. I picked out 3 trees, planted them first, and that really set the stage for everything else to come. From there, I went shopping, browsing through nurseries, choosing flowers, and deciding on plants that I hoped would bring both color and life to the space. It's been such a fun process, learning as I go, making decisions, and sometimes changing my mind along the way. And I should say right up front, I'm not a professional gardener. I'm just starting out, and like anyone new to something, I make mistakes. But that's part of the fun, and I want to share those mistakes as much as the successes. This is really about the whole journey, the ups and downs, and hopefully creating a space that feels beautiful, peaceful, and alive. This backyard will eventually be one big garden. Little trails winding through, places to stop and visit, and even a pond. I'd love to try a small creek running through it too, though I have no idea how I'm going to do that yet. But that's the point. I'm learning right alongside you. And I'd love for you to just relax, hang out, and enjoy the process with me. Of course, the garden doesn't end when the season ends. Over the winter, I'll be bringing you inside to share my indoor plants, and we'll do things like transplanting and learning together. Then around February, I'll be starting seeds indoors to get ready for the spring planting season outside. So this video is just a quick introduction, a quick look back at where I started and how things have come along from spring until now, August 2025. I've made a lot of progress, but there's so much more to come. So if you're curious to see how a blank yard slowly transforms into a full backyard garden with trees, flowers, paths, and water features, stick around. I'll be sharing everything, the good, the not so good, and everything in between. Thanks for watching and welcome to my gardening journey.